Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Cars Today 2024. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of the iconic 2024 Mini Cooper S. Is it still the go-to for driving enthusiasts seeking maximum miles per gallon? Let's find out. First impressions. Right off the bat, the 2024 Mini Cooper S grabs your attention. The classic design gets a slight modernization, but it retains its playful personality. We have inside. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for its size, with premium materials and mention specific interior features you like. Overall, the Mini Cooper S feels well built and ready for adventure. Performance handling. Now, the fun part. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine packs a punch with 189 horsepower and 207 pounds-feet of torque. It's not the fastest car on the road, but it delivers zippy acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. The handling is sharp and precise, making every corner a joy to navigate. This car begs to be pushed, and it rewards you with confidence and agility. Tech features. The 2024 Mini Cooper S isn't all about performance. It also boasts a user-friendly infotainment system with the central touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a decent selection of driver assistance features. However, mention any limitations you felt with the tech. Daily driving practicality. While the Mini Cooper S is undoubtedly fun, let's talk practicality. The city is its natural habitat, with its nimble size making parking a breeze. Fuel efficiency is decent, but don't expect SUV-like numbers. Cargo space is limited, but enough for weekend getaways or groceries. So, is the 2024 Mini Cooper S worth it? If you're looking for a thrilling, stylish, and surprisingly practical car that puts a smile on your face every time you drive it, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you prioritize practicality and space above all else, there might be better options. Ultimately, the Mini Cooper S remains a unique and iconic choice for driving enthusiasts who appreciate its blend of performance, personality, and heritage. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.